So what is capacity for loss? So capacity for loss is the ability to withstand a loss. So imagine you have two people. You've got one person with £100 and another person with £1 to invest. They're both looking to invest. One person's got a higher capacity for loss than this person. And that's because imagine they're both wanting to invest in Bitcoin. So Bitcoin notoriously is quite high risk on the risk spectrum. So they both invest £1. So that's that one person there and that person here. And say it goes down 50%. So this person now has lost 50% of their money, so it's only 50p. And this person has lost 50% of their £1 as well. And that means they've still got £99.5 left to invest. So they can be invested in safer assets. They could have this amount of money in cash, for instance, this amount of money in bonds, and this amount of money in shares, but only £1 is invested in Bitcoin, the kind of high risk on the risk scale. So essentially, this person has wiped out half their investments already, while this person is barely touched on their kind of how much they're invested. And this is capacity for loss. This is the risk the individual can take. So risk we'll talk about in other videos, but just for capacity for loss, this is kind of a really important subject if you're starting to invest, to understand how much risk you can take before you can actually start investing. So this is your ability to withstand a loss, and that is your capacity for loss.